Evo, zadovoljstvo mi je pozdraviti vas ovdje u zgradi Europskog parlamenta u Strasbourgu. Kako vam se čini? Ovo izgleda kao jedna velika košnica, puna ljudi.
Kad čovjek dođe kao posjetitelj, bio sam ovdje kao posjetitelj, no to izgleda koma, brka, međutim nije tako. To funkcionira na jedan savršeno uređen način, sve je na svom mjestu, svako zna svoj posao, a ljudi se međusobno razumiju, makar govore različite jezike, i tarzanski, engleski, i bilo što, bilo koji od svjetskih jezika, ali stvari sjajno funkcioniraju.
Predlažem da onda pređemo na engleski. Ovdje smo u studiju televizije Europskog parlamenta, pa možda će biti i gledatelja koji će se lakše s engleskim snalaziti. One of the members of European Parliament, she's from Holland, told me when I asked her what would be your advice for Croatian observers, she told me, well, if they have the impression that they don't understand 90% of what's going on here, that's normal. So
Yep.
it will be like that for first year, and that's completely normal.
Right. The procedure is different than in national parliaments. The things are settled and the ideas exchanged in the committees, which is not the case in Croatian parliament. And General Assembly or this plenary meeting just is used to express your standpoints, to say what you think about the matter, and that's it. There is no political conflict here, really. And this is different, and I understand that it functions differently. I don't understand the function of the whole building and the whole institution, definitely. But I suppose in a year's time I will be able to see most of it.
Some of the people are surprised when they take a look of what's going on the plenary session, and they see this huge building and only dozen of members of parliament sitting actually at their
More
tables.
than a dozen. A third should be present so that they could bring decisions, and the third is present. The third is 200 and something.
But a lot of times it looks
representatives.
empty.
Right.
Are you surprised by that?
It's huge. No, I'm not, as a matter of fact, because I see people walking around, talking around, and doing things. It's not the only work to be done, just to sit, listen, and raise your hand here and there. There are other things to be done, and I'm quite aware of that. So it doesn't surprise me, although I expected more people on occasions like Jordanian King coming today. I expect everybody to come to see him because it's an attraction, and he had a perfect address to the parliament here. He's a personality, really. And so I expected more people to be present. They were not.
I suppose you have a whole different perspective when you sit as a member in European Parliament than what you get as a member of national parliament.
And the roles are different, I suppose. There is quite a lot of political clash in national parliament, sometimes even cruel. And this is not the case here. Obviously, I don't know whether people have better manners or is it always like that. But the situation is different. But the things that are decided here are also different. They are on a much wider scope. I mean, global problems and global ideas are discussed here much more than national parliament, of course.
Okay, thank you very much for this conversation.